Hello everybody, welcome back to my bedroom. So today we're going to start an experiment with Cobra lily seeds, or Darlingtonia californica. Darlingtonia californica. Anywho, we got about 10 seeds there, and they require about 4 to 6 weed for the cold stratification. Which the cold stratification is when you get a napkin, damp, wrap the seeds in it, put that in a Ziploc bag, put it in the refrigerator. I was thinking, since it's already winter outside, why not put sphagnum moss in this pot, seeds, a little bit more sphagnum moss, and then put that pot in the windowsill to see if it's cold enough to kick those seeds off, and in a couple months hopefully we'll have some Cobra lilies. It's a carnivorous plant that's supposed to look like a cobra. And so I'm gonna put this moss and I have pre-soaking in, because it's practically what I grow in, just straight up sphagnum moss. I'm gonna put it in here with good drainage, and I will be right back. Alright, so now I've got my first bit of moss in there, and I'm going to take the seeds and put them in this level, and see if we can just sprinkle them in there. So I got the seeds from carnivorousplants.org. I think I've got some of my Juiceras from these guys too. I was very happy with them. Alright. So somewhere in there we have our 10 Cobra lily seeds. Put some moss over this. Pat it down just a little bit, not like pack, but just patting it down to make sure everything has good contacts, so that way there it can wick up the water to the seeds. And once they start popping out of there, if everything goes good, I'll make the update video. And also, we're gonna do some Juicera filiformis, or the thread Sundew. I don't have any of that yet to show until these seeds grow. I'm a poet, I know it. Anywho, so we will get these guys going in that gray pot over there. Process is going to be the same, exactly the same, so I don't think I'm going to do a video on that. If you want to see that video, just rewatch this one and replace the word Cobra lily with Juicera filiformis seeds. Also, did some transplanting today, and our Juicera have their own big pots now. That Binata sitting right there in the darker green pot kicked out 14 little plants there. I've got a dozen down there in the tray, and then 2 up here outside of the saucer, outside of the big saucer. Those are Drosera binata. So hopefully those will all come up and I'll have 14 Droseras to do with. Check out that Nepenthes picture. That thing's about 2.5 to 3 inches tall. The one right next to it's going to be bigger. Alright. Peace out, everybody.